in the shop, getting ready to put our ladder rack. It used to hang off the side here, so I only get one on it. So we're actually building one to go all the way across the top. It's going to be a nice addition to this rig. Be able to haul 2 ladders with it, and it'll just sit a lot nicer. So here is the ladder rack that we built. The old one, as I showed you guys in the very beginning, it sat off to the side and I could only fit 1 ladder on it. It was actually mounted on this pole here, and it came off and then mounted off the other one up there. And like I said, I could only fit 1 ladder on it. So I needed to be able to put 2 ladders on this rig to be able to, you know, different gutter cleanings and different jobs needed 2 ladders sometimes. So I was able to weld up, as you've seen in the video, and build this top portion. And man, if it doesn't actually give a better look to this rig, and it's going to work out perfectly. It's actually going to work out perfectly. I've got enough room in here to where, you know, I'm not hitting my head. I can walk under here, and it doesn't bang me in the head, so which is great. That's it, guys. Just wanted to show you guys the end product. I'm excited and glad that I finally did it. It was a weekend build. We started on Saturday and had it done, all welded up, did all the welding and everything. All the welding was done Saturday. Probably took us, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 hours to get it all the way we needed it to be. And then Sunday was just putting some paint down, corrosion protection. But that's it. Appreciate y'all for watching.